Hey guys, it's Kyle at the Bay County Public Library. This week was the beginning of Tales and Tales, which is our summer reading program this year. We've got 6 weeks of activities and art and crafts and contests and challenges just for you. Stories too, we've got plenty of stories as well. So we really hope you come to one of our libraries to join us. This week at the Bay County Public Library, we're going to be advertising some really fun craft kits available while supplies last. And they are up here. Yeah, so these are our lion and tiger craft kits. They're little animal wearables, so you can wear them like masks and wear them to the masquerade if you're so inclined. So today I'm going to show you how to make those real quick. They come in kits like these. The only thing you'll need is glue sticks. So come to the library, pick one up while they last, and I'll show you how to put them together. Grab our craft kit. We have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take your craft kit. One, two. Flip. Now we do Thanks for watching this little animal craft video with me. I really enjoyed making them. And next week we're going to be doing animals in anime. That's our theme. And we're going to have different craft kits and coloring sheets and challenges and quizzes for you and your kiddos to come to the library and do. So please join us at the library. Take some of these crafts off our hands, enjoy them, and we'll see you next week. Bye.